Hey there! Crypto and Bitcoin has become my passion in the past 5 years, and while undoubtedly most of them are scams, I still want to learn about every single one of them. This is why I made it my mission to create shorts on every crypto project out there. I would be extremely thankful for a like and a subscription. The first 10 projects sorted by market cap now in this compilation. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bitcoin is the mother of all. Even though not directly, all other cryptocurrencies are linked to the Bitcoin price. People that invest in crypto usually put some money into Bitcoin, making it the market driver for the whole space. It has no team behind it, and its only mission is to give people a borderless, censorship-resistant, decentralized payment system. A truly revolutionary idea. It has also the largest market cap of all crypto, so ROI might not be as high as some crypto projects with lower market caps. In the long run, it could become a new reserve currency. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency, and many other cryptos are built on the Ethereum blockchain, making it one of the most important projects in the space. Developers choose ETH because it was the first mover concerning smart contracts. Many people criticize the high costs for transactions, the Solidity programming language that is used to build on ETH, and there is even a group of people who doubt the trustworthiness of the head behind the project, Vitalik Buterin. Is Ethereum the MySpace of crypto? Tether is not a project you invest your money in and expect a return. It's a stablecoin, meaning it reflects exactly the price of the US dollar. USDT is a token built on the Ethereum blockchain, and the team behind it claims that they have every circulating USDT token backed by a real dollar. Some doubt this. Many use it as the go-to stablecoin to trade cryptocurrency for. It has the highest market cap of all stablecoins, and there weren't any problems during the bear markets with it so far. BNB is the housemade coin of Binance's own blockchain. The head behind Binance is called Chen Zhao, or short CZ, who is pretty active on social media. Many new projects are created on the Binance blockchain, and unfortunately the largest amount of scam coins. It is incredibly easy to create a token on this blockchain. A big problem might be that there is a large exchange company behind this coin, making it vulnerable to outside factors. A problem Ethereum or Bitcoin just don't care about. Chris Larsen and Chad McCaleb found a company called Ripple Labs. The plan was to establish a new and fast, secure payment system for the world to use. They called it XRP Ledger, and it is simply better than the SWIFT system we're using right now. The problem is that the whole thing is in the hands of one company, and while they use blockchain technology, the XRP coin has no mining process or anything else behind it, making it not comparable to the status of Bitcoin. The SEC even sued the Ripple Labs and lost the case. SEC is still fighting though. USDC is not a project you put your money in for returns. It is a stable coin, meaning it reflects the worth of the US dollar. USDC is the housemade coin of the company Circle. There are many different stable coins out there, and while USDC once depegged from the dollar, which is not a good thing for a stable coin, it managed to come back and is still around. USDT, Tether, is more popular, but is it more safe? Cardano is a massive project. Head of the company behind the blockchain project is Charles Hoskinson, a former founder of Ethereum who left the project to create his own. Many criticize that there is a big leader behind the project. You can watch Charles on social media. He's pretty active there, make up your own mind. Cardano wants to move things slowly. Every new milestone is planned through in detail, thousands of tests before anything is implemented, making Cardano a very solid but slowly evolving project. Can it keep up with the faster evolving projects though? Billy Marcus wanted to create a fun version of Bitcoin, and with Jackson Palmer's idea, Dogecoin was born. Because of its fun factor, the cryptocurrency gained a massive community fast and was even used for charity in Africa. Even though it started out as a joke, the Doge father Elon Musk became a huge fan of the project, and it grew to a top 10 cryptocurrency by market cap. And here are the problems. Elon Musk can pump or dump whenever he likes to with a single tweet, and the biggest problem is the infinite supply. Inflation much? Wow. The former Qualcomm engineer Anatoly Yakovenko wanted a higher performing and more scalable blockchain than the existing ones. With the unique proof of history consensus mechanism, users got one of the fastest performing platforms for DeFi and smart contracts. It is one of the fastest growing blockchain projects in the space, and more people start building on it using primarily the Rust programming language. But fast success comes with a price. Network outages, security flaws, centralization concerns, interoperability, and a very large competition. Justin Sun had a big idea of a decentralized internet, and so Tron and its currency TRX was born. Tron uses a delegated proof-of-stake consensus mechanism where a group of elected nodes functions as validators. A big achievement of the project was the acquisition of BitTorrent and Opera, which are now integrated into the Tron ecosystem. It has also smart contracts, DeFi, gaming, low transaction fees, and the usual problems. Centralization and scalability concerns, lack of adoption, a large competition, and a weird plagiarism controversy about its white paper.